Amara measures the height of her tomato plant and her zucchini plant. The tape diagram shows how the height of the tomato plant relates to the height of the zucchini plant. All right, so if this whole thing is the tomato plant height, the part that is shaded in is the zucchini plant height. Use the tape diagram to describe the height of the tomato plant relative to the height of the zucchini plant. Well, the tomato plant's clearly larger than the zucchini plant. And let's see, they want us to figure out a percentage. The tomato plant is blank percent taller or shorter than the zucchini plant. So we already know it's taller. You can even see that visually. The tomato plant is the whole thing, while the zucchini plant is just the shaded part. So if I was using this drop down, I would pick taller. But what percent taller is it? Well, we can see the zucchini plant is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. And the tomato plant is 2 more of those units. So whatever 2 out of 5 is, that's the percent increase to go from the zucchini plant to the tomato plant. So 2 over 5, you might recognize that's the same thing as 4 over 10 or 40 over 100, which is equal to 40%. So the tomato plant, this right over here, is 40% of the zucchini plant's height. And that's the same thing as 2/5 of the zucchini plant's height, which you can see very clearly from that tape diagram. So the tomato plant is 40% taller than the zucchini plant. And we are done.